We are gonna start with DXY. We'll start with DXY and with the monthly time frame. Okay, so in monthly time frame, I can see that price has tapped this uh, monthly order block, right? So this monthly order block has been tapped, and we're going to still not tap the opening price of the order block. So I'm expecting next week uh, to tap this monthly order block, taking out the previous. This is the previous week high. So what we can expect, this previous week high, price will take out this previous week high, and it will tap this monthly order block. Then we can expect some retracement, but we don't have to force the retracement. We have to wait. We have to wait for 1 hour or 4 hour order flow to change, and then only we will participate. No, we'll trade the retracement. And one thing we can see, we also have a order block here which is found. So at least we can expect price to retrace till the high of the order block, uh, and uh, and in the best case, you know, ideally price can also retraces to the opening price. So this will be the area where we can expect price to come back, but we have to see that price must show us that I'm moving down and going to retrace. We don't have to force it because we are going to trade against the order flow. So that's not the ideal thing to do. So always wait. I'll be waiting for price to take out this previous week high, then change in state of delivery, and then I'll participate in and trade the retracement. Okay, and one thing to notice here, that we also have this weekly fair value gap, which is now will work as an inversion. That makes this area an important area for continuation of the move. Okay, this is a good POI to have. So I'll be expecting price to come back, and then we can expect continuation of the bullish move. We'll be targeting this rejection block and these highs as well. Right, now let's okay, so here's fair value gap. It's all good, it looks good, so it must take out previous week high, and we have to see the 4 hour to confirm my price. Let's go to the daily time frame. What do we have? And daily time frame also looks good. This is the green is the inversion, and we also have a breaker here. This is a breaker in daily time frame. That's a bullish breaker. So that's a bullish breaker. It's a bullish breaker, and also we have a fair value gap and daily time frame. So we can expect this bullish breaker, the weekly inversion, the daily fair value gap to hold the price. Okay, and further we can plan our bullish trade from here. That would be in our mind. Just in case if you follow, no, if you just in case if you did not cash the trade to short from here and to target this fair value gap, we don't need to force it. Okay, and let's wait for price to come back inside this area, and now then only we participate targeting this rejection block and the high. That would be the idea. Let's go to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour, it's bullish. The order flow has not changed yet. How the order flow will change? I have to look. We have two fair value gap here, right? There's one here and there is one more here. So generally, what you can see that price will come back. It will tap this fair value gap. It will show some reaction. It will take out previous week high, and then it will create a bearish fair value gap. So this bearish fair value gap will confirm the bearish 4 hour order flow has changed now, and now we can target from this fair value gap, bearish fair value gap to this fair value gap. That is your daily fair value gap. That would be idea. Just in case if this thing doesn't happen, what we can do? We can wait for price to tap. Just in case if price takes out the previous week high and again tap this fair value gap, it will show some reaction that it's going up, and again it will when price started moving down. Okay, it will create a very fair value gap. If it creates a very fair value gap, that also confirms my bias. I will target this fair value gap and as well as the daily fair value gap as well. That will be my plan, but I have to see, I have to look for the order flow to change in 4 hour and 1 hour time frame to target this weekly and daily point of interest. Okay, so that the bias will be starting like for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I'll be looking for shorts till this fair value gap, and the rest will be continuation of this whole bullish this trend. And if the price is extremely bullish, so there is also a possibility that price will go and tap this rejection block. Then we can see some retracement. This is also one of this one of the thing which can be possible. Okay, now let's go to the Euro USD. Let's see what we have in Euro USD. Euro USD also looks very much clear to me. So it's not that complicated. One thing one thing it's very visible that we have tapped this weekly order block. I will just tap the weekly order block. So so one thing which can be possible, that price will take out previous week low, and if it takes out the previous week low, then we can target this weekly bearish order block. Okay, that would be the idea. But the order flow has to be changed. We're not going to go and total soup buy here. It's very risky because we're going to trade against the order flow. We have to wait for the confirmation, then only we can target this weekly order flow. Let's go to the daily. In daily, I have seen that in near the weekly order block, we also have the daily fair value gap, a tiny daily fair value gap. So this will be, I will expecting price to tap this daily bullish fair value gap, and then we'll wait for the 4 hour and 1 hour to show me bullishness, and then I can target this breaker as well as this fair value gap. Okay, so this can be a model, that is a gap to gap. This we can target from this gap to this gap. Okay, this gap as well. And if you see on Monday, price consolidates. So just in case the price consolidates on Monday, that doesn't take out the previous week low, it forms an inside candle. Generally, you will see that when price when there is a large expansion, the way we have in the last week, we can have the inside candles. So just in case if you see any inside candles forming like this, that will be also good. That if inside candles are forming here inside this huge candle, so you can trade like this. Price tapping this daily fair value gap, closing inside the range once more again, and then targeting this highs. Okay, so we'll be trading a retracement, but it has to show me the bearishness, bullishness. If it is not showing in 1 hour and 4 hour, then we don't want to force it. Okay, so the idea will be this. Let's go to the GBP USD. In GBP USD, we can see. Let's go to monthly time frame. It's very clear to me. GBP USD monthly, we have just tapped the fair value gap, the monthly fair value gap, and what I can expect the 4 hour to change the bias, to change the order flow, to trade the retracement. But let's go and see what we have in weekly time frame. In weekly time frame, we have a order block, so that would be the drawn liquidity to target this order block. And we should also try to find what do we have in daily time frame. In daily time frame, you can see in daily time frame we also have a breaker, and also we have a fair value gap just above it. So we'll be expecting what I will expect the price to take out previous week low and previous day high, previous day low, and to change the bias, to change the order flow, and we can target either this order block as or this fair value gap, and as well as this breaker. So there are lots of confluence here. So we can say we can trade the retracement, but it has to show with the bullishness. Otherwise, we're not gonna force it. Okay, again I'm saying don't force it because I know you guys will force it. I have, but the only way to trade this is to wait for the 4 on 1 order flow to change. And we also have a weekly order block as well, so that would be good. We also have the bullish weekly order block. So price taps this weekly order block, taking out previous week low, then we can target this daily. In daily we have this favorable gap as well as the breaker. So that would be the idea. This breaker and this order block to taking out previous week low and targeting this. Right. That is from GBP USD. Uh, let's go to the next pair, which is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is still consolidating. It hasn't moved a lot. But in weekly time frame, I am waiting for price to close below this candle low, okay, to form an order block, and then we can target this fair gap. And in daily time frame, if it forms this fair gap, if this fair gaps, if price creates this fair gap, then that would be the no, that would be the nice place to take a short from. Let us short from here to target these lows and these lows as well. So let's see if he closes like this as an inside candle, then we can short from this fair gap, keeping the stop loss here or here. And we also have the order block, and also we have the smash candle. Okay, so we have the smash candle here. So this smash candle as well as the weekly fair gap, sorry, daily fair gap will confirm and it will target these lows. So I am targeting $60,000 and also 55,000, I guess $59,000 in coming week in BTC. Let's go to gold. Gold is extremely bullish. We don't need to catch tops and bottom, but I think it is showing some topping sign. Let's wait for price to form the order block. We have the order block here. If it forms this order block, this candle, if price fails to close, the price closes below this candle and we see an order block, then we can trade in the downside. But it is not as clear, so I'll avoid trading gold. Let's go to S&P. S&P is now looking clear as we have closed below this fair value gap, and we have a monthly fair value gap here. So that will be a drawn liquidity. And how to trade this? It's pretty easy. Okay, the drawn liquidity will be this, and we also have the order block is already formed. So I'll be expecting price to tap this order block and target this monthly fair value gap. It's pretty simple. My stop loss will go above this candle high, or safest one will be the order block candle high. Let's see what we have in 4 hour. In 4 hour, we also have the fair value gap to confirm our idea. This fair value gap as well, but let's not trade this fair value gap. Let's see what do we have in 2 hour. No, 2 hour we also don't have fair value gap. Okay, so what do I do? I will wait for price to do that also in here at the order block, and I will target this monthly fair value gap. It's pretty simple. Let's go to Nasdaq. Nasdaq we also Nasdaq not clear. Okay, Nasdaq it's consolidating. We have not seen any changes in weekly time frame. Let's go to daily. Daily we have not closed below this, so it's consolidating. So let's avoid this pair. But if the S&P is moving down, so with this pair also can also move down. And this is the fair value gap we have. So that would be a drawn liquidity, but it has to show me that I'm moving down. But S&P is looking very it's pretty crystal clear to me. And this is all about all the pairs we have. USD I will not trade. It's this pair. Yeah, USD card is pretty easy. I have already taught you guys that this is my high probability fair value gap. So we'll be waiting for price to tap this favorable gap, and it will continue higher. This will be, we'll be targeting these highs, almost equal, relative equal highs. So yeah, so that would be the idea. It's pretty easy. USD CAD looking bullish. GBP will trade retracement. NZD CAD this is about weekly. Weekly order block has been formed. It is also looking good, and we're gonna have the good expansion week. This is the order block, and also we have the daily order block as well. Wow, it's pretty awesome. We have the daily order block, weekly order block combines together. So this will be the idea. Try to tap this daily order block and target these lows. These lows. If you go to week, yeah, we already invalidated this order block. The price has closed inside it. So just see it has closed in the mean threshold or not. Yeah, just closed inside the mean threshold. So yeah, so that is the reason it got the bullish order block is invalidated. Now we'll take the bearish. Taking this in my mind, this is the weekly order block, daily order block. Let's go to 4 hour, and 4 hour keeping this in mind. Yeah, so this is also comes near the 50% of yeah, we can see that pretty easy thing. I want to see that this gap should remain open. It should not get filled. So because we have the weekly favorable gap, a weekly order block. Let's see what we have. Odd is also bearish, and the weekly order block has been formed. So yeah, so these lows are not safe now. The price has already closed below it. So this weekly order block, target these lows. And we also have the daily order block, but this should remain open. Just in case the price became extremely bullish, okay. So we can see some deep retracement inside the weekly order block, and tapping this daily favorable gap. Not this daily order block. This daily favorable gap will be crucial if price dug deep inside the if I dug deep inside this weekly order block. We have the weekly order block here. So if we got dug deep inside the weekly order block, then we can see the price can tap this daily favorable gap. But this thing will confirm in the DXY. If DXY came here, then we can trade all those pairs. Okay, I guess this is all about the weekly outlook today.